Okay, this is David Harriman again, and I want to talk about the unique way that Falling Apple Science Institute teaches the stars. Now, this is again a topic that is in front of us every night, our whole lives, and yet most of us don't understand it. And the reason is because it's taught badly in a way that's unnecessarily complicated. Most books on observational astronomy where they teach the stars start out by saying there's 88 constellations and let's just plow through and memorize them, which is nearly impossible. And so nobody ever learns it. But there's a very simple way to learn it, and then this globe demonstrates it to you in a uniquely easy way that makes it fun to learn. So let me introduce you to our way of understanding the stars. Now, there's only 15 first magnitude stars in the sky. Now, every student, at some point we all learned the 50 states and their capitals. And so you would think, well, there's only 15 really bright stars that stand out. Everybody should know them. And in fact, everybody should, if it's taught properly, and it's very easy and fun. So let's start. In the wintertime, late at night, we see almost half of the really bright stars in the sky in the winter hexagon. And the way that that we teach this is by starting with a guidepost constellation, which is a constellation that is very easy to pick out of the sky, that it jumps right out at you. And the one we start with is Orion. Orion is extremely easy to recognize because it has the 3 stars in the belt and the 2 very bright stars above and 2 very bright stars below. So this is the first constellation that my young daughter learned to recognize. I think it's the first constellation that most people recognize. And so we start with Orion, which is right on the celestial equator, the belt is, and so it takes a path across the sky that is very similar to the sun.